Hello everybody, and welcome. This is, of course, Just Cause 3. I, of course, did not make the game. These studios made the game, the ones that just flashed on screen. But I am very excited to play it once again. I've already played and beaten the game, but I'm playing it again for your entertainment, and also because I love this game a lot. The explosion and everything. I know it's a little late to be playing this game, considering it already has its fourth game out, but I don't know. Figure might as well. No reason not to.
This is pure insanity!
Mario! Rebel Rockstar. Also, none of the music's on because,
There. Oh, explosion averted.
Because, of course, copyright and stuff. Sorry. Got busy for a second. So,
numerous reports of human rights violations.
If there is music,
are allegedly sentenced to forced labor, mining the mysterious material Bavarium, while others seemingly just disappear.
Or maybe I just decided, explosion, go brr. Okay, yep, like that. Like
no one should wield the power of Bavarium.
Yeah, see, there's this quiet bits that are meant to have music, and then they don't. It's like, what? Why is it so dead silent?
Ban it!
Without context, that's literally him without context.
To a press conference with General Di Ravello himself.
Cannot sit idly by as these terrorists.
What a load of horse apples.
Believe this guy, Rico?
ETA to LZ, 4 minutes.
Morning, sunshine.
Okay, yep, there's Rico.
Wake up, Rico. Showtime.
Showtime. I'm Sheldon.
Sheldon, where's the good stuff?
Oh, damned if I know. Hell, there may not be any good stuff.
This is for the rebels? Or is it for Di Ravello?
One or the other. It's kind of hard to keep track.
Nothing's changed since Banal.
Now, that can't be helped. You see, Sebastiano Di Ravello is sitting on a ton of Bavarium, which makes him the agency's best goddamn friend.
This was my home, Sheldon.
Well, enjoy your homecoming, then. And,
okay.
Don't forget the 45. So, you're meeting your friend, right?
Yep.
Mario!
Good, good. LZ's 2 clicks out.
This should do it. And now...
What are you planning to do, son?
Something...
Yep, and here it is. That's the game. That's the game. It's Explosion the game.
Here we go. Wish me luck.
Why? You never needed it before.
Just Cause 3.
Hot damn!
Even the title got blown up with flat cannons.
Oh! It's a damn shooting gallery down there! Fired well! Surface-to-air missiles! Shoot the battery now!
Boom. Surface-to-air missiles or SAM turrets. Flat cannons were not meant to hit. Ooh, they were meant to get close though.
Look out! More SAMs!
Oh, yep, and we got flipped. Woo-hoo-hoo!
You better not be dead!
Yep. And there you go. This game is really about high maneuverability, high destruction. If you're not playing it to be as fast as possible, you're playing it wrong.
Oh, is that you?
See, it's me, Mario.
Whoa! Amico! I could use some help! Get up here and give me a hand! And climb fast! The militia are here! Take them out!
Bullets and guns!
Militia were not expecting Rico fucking Rodriguez!
Into the pit! Oh god! Oh, is he still alive? No, he isn't. And here he is, the man, the myth, the legend,
Rico!
Mario.
It's been so long! Years! You came just in the nick of time. The Ravello's militia would have killed me for sure.
Nice work, Mario. You learned a thing or two since I left.
Yeah, you're not too bad yourself, huh? You still don't cover yourself. You must always cover yourself. This is pure insanity! I saw you coming in on the plane. Yeah, and you were like, bah, bah. It was incredible!
You can't tell I love his character a lot.
I'm glad you're back.
It's good to see you too, Mario.
But the rebels, they're in trouble. We've got to go.
Hey,
I am
Mario.
speed.
I'll drive.
Hell yeah. You play this game for the grappling hook, the wingsuit. You play it for the cars and all the amazing things they can do.
Mario,
You play it
Mario,
for
where are
the
you?
giant,
We're
magnificent
pinned down.
guns.
We're coming. Step on it, Rico.
You're a rebel now.
You know how it is. One thing leads to another, and then bang.
And then bang. I
Mario
wonder.
Frigo is holding a shotgun fighting the Ravello. A checkpoint. Don't stop, Rico.
Didn't plan on it!
Come on, Rico.
Go, dear, go!
It's just his militia have taken over all the towns, converting the police stations into fortresses. I had to start fighting. You see, Rico, Medici has changed a lot.
You might want a pistol there. I'm not sure I'm... Ah, crap. Whoa. Ho-ho!
There they are! I wish we could use that tank!
I bet the cannon still works.
You're a genius, Rico! I could kiss you! Let's get him!
Jesus. Yes, that's my chaos score from multiple runs.
Down at the farm.
Alright.
Doom impending. The farm is compromised. Expect to be overrun soon. Requesting assistance.
Rico, can you go? You have to protect her. I'll meet you up there.
No problem, Mario.
Mario! Alright, see you later, Mario. Gotta go murder some people.
You can take this chopper, Fratre.
Thank you. Increasing altitude. Woohoo!
Good morning, citizens of Medici.
This guy's funny as hell.
Apparently, the new voice of the General's News Network. Your only legal source of current events. Another successful Di Ravello week is in the books. Some minor reports of anti-government action, but we have troops en route to utterly destroy the last pocket of resistance as we speak. Viva Medici!
I'd like to get out of my helicopter now.
You must be the backup! Get up on the tower and man the gun!
I mean, you don't have to tell me twice. Oh, shit! That was awesome. Watching its tires flip out from under it and then just ram into something and explode. This game is perfect for those kinds of things.
It's a buddy film waiting to happen.
Wow, I look amazing.
Ah, there you are.
Dima, Ali Umar al-Masri.
Radius not shattered. Scaffold intact. Ah, this rubber mother's dated. Huh, ancient. Time for upgrade. Come see me when practical. Or practicable. I must investigate which is which.
Dima, it's nice to see you too, Dima.
Oh. Hello.
Hello. Aw, yeah. First mission complete. Welcome
Your
home.
grappler's still outdated. Come see me for upgrade.
First I gotta see these weapons about being weaponed up.
Oh, change is good.
I think this one has a CS Predator. Sounds better than, what is this? Yeah, Predator sounds good. Oh, that has like no recoil. Alright. Start the quest. Time for an upgrade. This is when we get the better grappler and the wingsuit, which are kind of like what you need if you want to like enjoy the game.
This is a dangerous.
I mean, you could still enjoy it with just the explosions, but without the mobility.
Something entirely not
wow.
clone related. Come.
Follow me for something entirely not clone related.
Model. We can begin field test immediately. Do you still have your parachute?
Si.
Good. I'm glad we were able to reduce the catastrophic failure rate. We were cautious, thorough, safety-minded, not like.
Dima.
Remember Guatemala. I am not cut out for field work, but you rescued me. After Guatemala, I was assigned to study bavarium. Bavarium exists only in Medici. It's curious. In addition to its magnetic properties, bavarium can be refined into a powerful explosive, or almost limitless fuel source in the wrong hands. Oh, Rico, bavarium is in the wrong hands.
We're going to change that. I know I can count on Mario, Dima. What about you?
Can you count on you?
Made a lot of mistakes, Rico.
Forgiveness begins with action, Dima.
Yes. But no more excuses. I will help. I will meet you at the outpost, Guardia Alpha. You can help me test some new equipment.
Yes! New grapple! Yes! That is what I live for. This one has power. Unstoppable power.
Launch the grapple while reeling in. Oh, good. Now come meet me at Guardia Alpha. Try using grapple while parachuting. Reel in to pull yourself through air. Like flying.
I love their explanation for why people can't just climb the fences or stuff. It's coming up. Their explanation for why people can't just climb fences.
Rico, stop! Don't
What?
There. Explosion averted.
Explosion?
Safety first.
Are you alright?
Yes, move. All right. I should be on hand to address any hiccups in the design.
What?
You are not afraid of flying, are you? No, an acrophobic agent. Preposterous. Oh, these are rebels.
Salute.
Salute.
What did you do to me?
This is a march of technology. Your grappler has been updated. There is less chance for violent limb detachment. You can now tether two items and retract.
Yes!
Friend Mario suggested we call it Hachino 3. Although that name will not make it past legal.
This Guardia Alpha seems like a good place to start. Maybe take out that gate?
Yes, it will allow you access to the outpost. Oh, I have noted that the rebels are weak at climbing fences. Poor diet, perhaps.
There we go. That's their explanation for why
I know
they
you
can't
guys
just
have
climb
had
a
it rough,
fence.
But this changes everything. This device will let me tear the outpost apart without bullets.
Almost just looking at the camera saying, you don't need to use your bullets to tear things apart anymore. You can just do it.
That did it. I'm going in.
You see, there's a very efficient way to do things here. Yes, if you grab those panels with tethers, you can force them to throw off, and then these things will just slowly explode on their own. But that's the efficient way to do it. Oh god! Who said we wanted to be efficient, though? Maybe we just want to have fun. Yes! Element liberated. Yeah, and that just usually spins around a lot before it explodes.
Also, I request additional assistance. Please, note new coordinates.
Massive explosions and fire and death. Yes, it is what I hunger for. Now she gives us our next two fancy things, which are placeable bombs and a wingsuit.
The firewall is positively porous. Is this communication network created by baboons? Impractical. Never
You could
mind.
have just yelled.
There is an attack imminent. Government forces are approaching.
It's a retaliatory strike for last night.
The rebels are in peril. They'll be overrun, crushed by opposing ground units. It's tragic, yet exciting. Not exciting. Not as an attack exciting. I misspoke. This is an exciting chance to test my newest invention.
What's that?
Also to avert disaster. Put out your hands. Like so.
What are you doing, woman?
Huh?
That's very actually good cinematography, how they zoom in on his face
Done.
to hide the
You now have wingsuit.
transition from
Handy for
wingsuitless to
gliding.
wingsuited. So,
It's best if you
nice
start
little
near
thing.
precipice.
It's small, but some.
Wingsuit to bridge.
Wingsuit to bridge. You little
hope this
bitch.
works.
Wingsuit to the bridge.
For both our sakes, Rico. We have got to make things right.
Alright.
Hey, Dima. This wingsuit isn't bad.
Might not have mentioned. I've given you experimental device GE-64, Bavarian base-planted explosive.
We'll start with the bridge then. I'm heading to a vantage point now.
The Revelo's forces moving quickly. Please, make haste.
Yes, you can just switch between parachute and wingsuit at will, however you want.
Ready for the convoy.
Here they come.
The Revelo's military won't know what hit them.
Success! Hey, I recommend you make a deadly cool comic quip or... Wait, I am tracking incoming helicopters. 2 surface-to-air missile batteries are nearby. Marking their locations, recommend reprogramming. Now, access to Sam's command panel.
Yes, we can just hack these, and then they'll shoot at air targets for
The
us.
battery's under our control. Move to the other side. Hurry!
Very useful for bases with a lot of air control. Well, not air control, but like... You know what I mean. Like helicopters. And occasionally jets. Yes, there are like jets in this game. You didn't know. Yes, explosions. Death.
That should do it. I've made myself some new friends.
I wonder if I could take one. Well, not that one. Or that one. Nope. None of those helicopters are mine. They're all in the ocean now. Nothing but exploded rubble.
Good work, Dima.
And thank you for being test subject. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Come in. Rico, hello. It's me, Mario. Mario Frigo. You remember my grandmother's place? She's cooking tonight. You must come over. Over.
Oh.
How did you get a comlink,
Over.
Mario?
Woo.
What? We all got them. Hey, Rico, you're supposed to say over. Over.
Woo! Right over there. Took no time at all. Once you get good at the wingsuit, you can travel really far, really fast.
It's me, Gramatre.
You got skinny. Would you please tell Mario to get rid of that junk on my lawn?
Certo, Gramatre. Granmatre, doesn't like the car.
She never did.
Never finished it.
I was waiting for you. I don't blame you, you know, for leaving.
Mario, I didn't have a choice.
You know, I never really thought about it, Rico. But there's a difference between you look and you see. Look at Medici. She's beautiful. She's a jewel in the sun. But you see Medici. She's completely rotten.
Mario, when'd you get so philosophical?
No, it's nothing like that. I've been helping the rebels. But I'm a small-timer. We're no army. You saw the attacks on the Ravello week. The rebels were running away. They were hiding. It was embarrassing.
Mario, Rico, it's time for supper.
Granmatre!
Give us 1 minute, we will be inside, please!
Mario.
Respect.
She's a little bit deaf.
She's a little bit deaf. That's not an excuse.
I got a plan. Di Ravello holds power in the cities and towns. And without his bases, he'll be crippled. We gather support, build our forces. I'm going to liberate Manea.
That's a tall order, Rico.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
We've got to show the people we can take back their cities and towns for them. I'm also going to destroy Vis Electra.
That's crazy.
It's time to cut the power. Di Ravello built that plant in what? 3-4 months?
I'm going to reduce it to a smoldering wreck in less than a day.
Less than a day.
Whatever you do,
I love that line.
we've got your back. And whatever you destroy, we'll rebuild.
Bon. Muy bon.
Boys!
But all this talking isn't putting food in my stomach.
Let's go.
Alrighty then. Excellent. This is not the game for stealth. If you can tell, this is not the game for stealth.
Hello, Rico. Welcome back to Medici. This is Alessia, the voice of Radio del Revolucion. Mario told me that you're looking to liberate the town of Manea and destroy the Vis Electra plant. I have to say, I cannot wait to see you in action. I'll call you again when you get close. They built this place in 8 weeks using prison labor, yet none of its power goes to the people. Get in there and blow up everything. As a rule of thumb, military assets are paid in days. A good town will have it. Those fuel tanks blow up nice, Rico.
Additional support has been approved and should reach your location shortly.
Jesus.
That never gets old.
Ouch!
If you get shot, you have to redo the hack. Jesus.
One and done.
Hacking the SAM turret, so any aerial enemies coming in are gonna have a rude awakening. You just fell off your tower.
Rico, take out those satellite dishes.
Really? Ha! Blasting off again! Oh, grenade. Oh! I literally made a firework. Get off my roof. Oh. Let's see, what we got here? There's gotta be more. Ooh! There's one. How about a nade? That was a little off mark. Let's try it again. One more time. Bye.
Now you stay down. These babies stick to anything.
How do? I don't remember. Not gamepad controls.
Here we go.
Nice and clean.
Ooh, there they are.
Blow up those transformers, Rico. They'll throw a wrench through the military's power supply. That's the core electrical unit. There. They're tough. But if you know where to shoot them, they blow up nice.
Lights out.
Boom. Explosions. Yes, we got the attack helicopter.
So long, bad guys.
I did not place a waypoint. Woo! Over the flame. Wingsuit! I got that wingsuit power! Hey look, it's that bridge I blew up.
Rico, welcome to Manaya. I grew up here, so I'm only too happy to give you a tour of how Di Ravello's ruined this beautiful city. You have to take out these ugly billboards, Rico. The General's face terrifies the people into submission.
Man, I think because I came here too soon, we didn't get to hear the one dude's announcement. Dang it. Well, we'll have to just do another military base.
Tear down that statue, Rico.
I'll just put this right here. Oh, did I do that?
The police stations have been taken over by the DRM. Take them back. These are not Policia. These are Di Ravello's thugs. Violent and stupid.
Easy. Ah, what are
Copy that. Reinforcements inbound.
Bullseye.
Woo!
This is dispatch, sending ground reinforcements to your position.
No mercy, men.
This is dispatch. Request received. Reinforcements en route.
The more you do, the more they start to show up on the map. If you've done nothing, then none of it will show up, but yeah, the more you do,
That
the more it shows
voice!
up.
Shut that stupid voice up!
Boom.
That's it.
We've
I'll
lost
raise
him.
the flag.
Get back to your posts.
Bam. Bam for the boozle. Manea town liberated. That unlocks the garage, hillside sprint, Manor tour, and the settlements of this region, or province, I
Rico,
guess.
head down to the docks at Manea. Have I got a proposition for you, amico? Over.
Mario's rebel drops. These are important.
Manea has been set free, my friends! The Di Revello militia, or as it's more often called the DRM, has been tossed out. Vive la revolution, mi fratres e sorores.
Yes, so every time you liberate a town or city, she speaks, and every time you destroy a outpost or fortress, the other guy speaks, and he tries to spin it as if the military wanted that.
You made it!
I'm here. What did you want to show me?
It's really funny some of the stuff they decided
It's right in
to
front
tell him
of
to
you,
spin it
Rico.
as.
One of Mario's finest garages.
All I see is a blue building on a dock.
I'll show you. Here, head to these coordinates.
Are your garages always on docks?
Sometimes they're at docks, sometimes near airstrips, but they're all the same. You could bring any vehicle to anywhere. You could bring a boat to an airstrip if you wanted.
How would I get a boat to an airstrip?
I don't know, Rico. You're the one with the crazy grappling hook. You'll figure it out.
True.
My point is, you can bring any vehicle to any of my garages.
But I assume I'll have to liberate the towns first.
Wait, you want me to bring this scooter? Why?
Don't worry about it, Rico. No one will miss it. Your map can help you find my garages. Go ahead.
Yep, now we got a scooter.
Then why am I doing this?
I'm the equipment guy for the rebellion, Rico. I bring weapons and vehicles to the rebels all over Medici.
But why do you need this scooter?
Well, you remember little Cecilia Crespo? The one with the bad breath, they called her Dracona? This is her bike. Beauty, eh? She made fun of my hair. She said it was crispy, so we play a little prank on her, eh? And it benefits you
Yes,
and
she
the
says you have crispy hair, so we steal her entire scooter.
Your stupid scooter benefit me.
Don't be slow, Rico. I take the bike, I break it apart. The guys use it to make more bikes. Everyone gets bikes, everyone wins, except the Dracona. She won't be happy, but that's the point.
Basically, he's running a chop shop.
It occurs to me that a tank or an RPG might be more useful than this scooter.
Yes,
Especially with how unwieldy
and if you
it
bring
drives.
down the Ravelo's bases, my boys can learn about the vehicles kept there and bring them to you. But don't bring any of that stuff to my garages.
Why not?
It throws too much heat, Rico. I've got to keep a low profile to provide the services I provide.
Doesn't matter how banged up it is, as long as it gets there in one piece.
Welcome back, Rico. Just park the bike right on the blue painted area.
Vehicle chopped. The 69 Stria Susurio. This vehicle is now unlocked and appears in your rebel draft list.
They work fast, Mario, but I'm still stuck with just this stupid scooter.
Well, you get them?
Got them. Not sure how these help me.
Throw them to tell my delivery guys where to drop your equipment. Just pick what you want using my new Rebel Drop app. Yes, you're getting a chopper. So, throw the beacon to a spot with enough space to take off and land and everything. And voila!
Not bad, Mario.
You bet your ass. Anytime you need anything, just use the app. But we can only supply what you can find, so get cracking.
Hey! Sheldon to Rico.
I should have figured you'd sir.
Oh my god, are you kidding me? I slammed face first into a building with my helicopter. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Crap. Wow. What a way to start the day. As you can see, you can't really tell what's city, what's town, and what's base. Like, that's obviously a base, but, like, it's not gonna just tell you what's a city, town, and base unless you've been there. Oh. See, even if you just clip something, you no longer are gliding. You're just falling slowly. Gotta keep low to the ground. Oh, tree, okay. Oh my. Uh-oh. Make it. Yes! Wow.
I'm here.
Target is on the move.
Adios, amigo.
No charge. Don't mention it.
There we go. When it blows up, it'll blow those two up. Efficient destruction.
There appears to be a service outage.
Dropping the Urga.
I see what you did there, and I'm gonna blow it up.
Get out. There it is. I want to get the SAM turret real quick because I'm pretty sure if the SAM turret is considered hostile and you finish the base, instead of hacking the SAM turret instantly, the SAM turret just disappears, I think. CS Vulture. I think I said that right. If I didn't, I'm sorry. But yeah, new military vehicle.
Revelo's infrastructure. Want to get in a little practice in the art of chaos, fratre?
Now in a second, that one guy should come on.
What's happening out there? Respond immediately.
Okay, there we go. I was waiting for a second here. That was actually going to come, and then I was going to look everything
Hello.
up.
The Department of Military Hygiene found some black mold in a vent at the Chima Leon silo. We decided it would be safest just to destroy the whole base.
Yep.
That mold stuff can be pretty nasty. Nothing to worry about. Thank goodness. Everything's so normal, for all of you at least. Viva Medici!
Yep, and that's just what he does. He just takes whatever they tell him to say, and then he just says it, and then in later ones he just adds like his own take on it. And it's just so fucking funny to me what these people spin it as, and then what he has to say about the spinning. And it's just gonna get better from there. But I am going to have to say we are out of time. So thank you all so much for watching. Have an amazing day. If you enjoyed it, subscribe and ring the little bell so you're notified whenever I post new videos to the channel. I post weekly, and I play all sorts of games like Just Cause and Don't Starve and all sorts of games like them and unlike them alike. Thanks again for watching. Have an amazing day, and just keep looting.